But Right to Try is incredible. We have a drug that works, but it's got to go through this very long and very detailed process for purposes of safety and to make sure it's good. If somebody's terminally ill, very sick, person not going to make it, person very sick, we passed legislation, which they've been trying to get for 42 years. It's called Right to Try, where people sign a document that if it doesn't work out, they're not suing the drug company, they're not suing the insurance company, and they're not suing our country. And instead of traveling, if they have money, they travel to Asia and they travel to Europe, they travel all over the world in the hopes of finding a cure. They're terminally ill. If they have no money, sadly, they go home with no hope and they die. We have now a program, Right to Try, finally happened after, I guess, as long as you've been a doctor, long before you became a doctor, right? They've been trying to get this. But we now have a program where they can try these really promising medicines, and you have no idea how successful this has already been. It's incredible. And one of the things that really came out of it was the biggest problem for the drug companies. They didn't want it because they didn't want it in their sample, because people that are that sick, they don't want it in the sample. And so we created a separate sample so it doesn't hurt them. But one of the things that's come out of it is, if it works, what is a better testing formula than that? Somebody that's terminally ill and all of a sudden makes it. And we're having examples of that. It's been incredible. It's been an incredible program. I hope somebody's going to be able to write a story about it, because it's been one of the things that I'm very proud of it. I love the name even, Right to Try. They have the right to try a drug that's not going to be available for 2 years or 3 years. They're terminally ill. Before you'd say, well, they're terminally ill, yeah, but we don't want to give them a drug that's going to hurt them. Well, they're going to die. And they didn't want to give them a drug because they thought it might be dangerous. And perhaps in some cases it may be dangerous, but we're having tremendous success with that program. Proud of it.